you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today we have August Glossybox. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. All right, you guys. So August Glossybox just arrived. They do send me this for review. So thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Now, you guys, this month, Glossybox turns 10. So a big happy birthday, Glossybox. They are now 10 years old. I am going to kind of say, though, I'm a little disappointed that the US boxes just got this pink box this month, because I saw the UK boxes were so pretty, where they had like a little decorative, almost like a crystal ball type thing on here, or disco ball, something like that. It looked so cute. So I was hoping for a decorative birthday box, but we have the normal pink box. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what they have for their birthday celebration month. I'm actually excited to see what's inside. So again, here's the normal pink box. I do love these boxes because they are constructed so well. I was just hoping for a birthday celebrated one. When you first open it up, there is the card right there. And that is the theme because, again, it is their birthday. Here is the ribbon and tissue paper. So when you open this, and I do save this ribbon too. You never know when you need a ribbon. And they do change the color from time to time. I have several different colors. And then there's a sneak peek to inside of the box. Let me pick that product up. It was an Elemis product. Ooh, we have Elemis. Let's go ahead and see what it says. See, August 10th birthday. Hey, Glossies. It's our 10th birthday, and we're thrilled to celebrate with you. We love all things pretty and pink, so we're bringing you this extra special box this month to get you party ready. Get ready to dance the night away with these amazing products in your August Glossybox. Stay glossy. So this will go over the items that are inside, and it will tell us the retail value for the full size item and if there is a deluxe mini, sample size, that kind of thing. So we will have all the pricing to go over as well. So let's go ahead and start with the Elemis product, since that's what hopped out of the box first. It wanted to be seen first. It's Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I have used this and I do like a lot of the Elemis products. So this is really cool to see in here. This is a deluxe mini 30 ml worth $45. Yes, this little guy right here is worth $45. If you want to know, the full size is a 50 ml and that is $128. So this one says that it's clinically proven to improve hydration and reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Your face will look and feel firmer and more radiant. Apply every morning to cleanse dry skin. So there is that product right there. And again, that's worth $45 right by itself. So now we have ooh, Glow Recipe. Is this the blueberry? Yes. I believe this is the cleanser that I've used before. I really like Glow Recipe. And I believe this is the same cleanser that I had, unless they came out with another one, because I think there was only one cleanser that they had. But I did enjoy the one that I had. So I'm super excited to see this product. So that is what it looks like out of the package. The full size is a lot bigger, like the one that I had purchased. This is the deluxe mini, and this is valued for $10. It's a 30 ml. The full size is 160 ml. So you can tell the difference between the full size and this size. And that's $34 for the full size product. So here's this. At least you can try it out, and if you like it, then you can purchase the full size with the bigger bottle. So you have the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. A good cleanser is the first step to having healthy, glowing skin. The effective yet gentle 3-in-1 bouncy makeup eraser, cleanser, and deep clarifying mask hydrates the skin without stripping it, helping to combat blemishes and breakouts over time. I've enjoyed all of the Glow Recipe products that I have used, even down to like the face masks, the serums, and all of that. So, and the toners. So I'm so glad to see that this is in here. So there's that guy. And again, that's valued for $10. So now we have this, ooh, this is a big bottle. This is a sheer hydration replenishing body lotion. Ooh. And this is a full size product. It says apply generously on clean skin all over body. This is valued for $9.99. This nourishing, lightweight formula intensely replenishes skin's hydration for 48 hours. The hyaluronic acid, sunflower seed oil, vitamins B5, and vitamins E help to hydrate your skin. And again, that is $9.99, and that's a good size. Well, it's a full size, but that's a good size bottle. Now we have the Invisibobble Slim. Oh yeah, those are very slim because the ones that I have are way thicker than that. So there's 3 slim hair ties inside of here. This is a full-size product. This is the slim, elegant sister to the original Invisibobble. It's a perfect foundation for a party updo. The ponytail holder makes for an easy, cute, and safe way to tie and style your hair. It gently holds your hair in place without breaking or damaging it. And this is valued for $8. So out of the box, this is what they look like. Again, they are a lot slimmer than the original, so that is really neat. And I like the different variations of like the gray tones that are on there. So very, very cute. So that's valued for $8. We still have a few more items in here, you guys. Ooh, is this a hair mask? Yes, it is. This is a smoothing deep conditioner. Softens and prevents breakage in weak, damaged hair. I love hair masks, so I'm so excited to actually see this. This one right here is packet 50 mil. This is a 50 mil. So a packet of 50 mil is $2.99. The full size is a 355 mil, which is $4.79. Infused with hydrolyzed keratin to reduce frizz and block humidity. This conditioner gently smooths and detangles, leaving even the most unruly hair soft and revitalized with incredible shine. Perfect for the hot, humid August air. And definitely with this humidity, and oh my gosh, it is so hot outside. I definitely want to give this a try. I love any type of a hair mask, so I'm all for it. And it says, after shampooing, wet and apply hair, leaving on for 1 to 2 minutes, and then thoroughly rinse out. Again, valued for $2.99. The next item here is another full-size product, and this is from Cab Cosmetics, and this is a Juicy Melon Lip Oil. Sorry, could you see it up there? No? Can you see it now? There's no time for chapped lips or messy, sticky lip gloss. This non-sticky lip oil will give your lips an instant burst of hydration with a subtle pigment shine. A large doe foot applicator makes it super easy to use. $20, cruelty-free and vegan. And this is a full size. It's called Juicy Melon is the color. And again, it's a lip oil valued for $20. Ooh, and that's a big one. That is really thick. Like most like lip products, they're like half this. They're like, I don't know, that's just thick. She thick. And yeah, so let's get this opened. Hopefully it smells like melon. Ooh, it smells good, but I'm not smelling melon. I'm smelling more of like a suntan lotion, something like tropical. That's what I'm smelling anyway. And that is a big old doe foot applicator too. So there's that. So it says it'll give you a little bit of color. It feels amazing. And I really cannot see a whole lot of color, just really nice lip oil. That smells so nice and tropical. That smells really good. So that is everything that is down inside of this box, you guys. Again, this is valued for $20. So a quick recap of what we got in this August box. We have this nice large and in charge lip oil, which feels amazing. We have a nice large size body lotion. You have a full size of these 3-piece slim hair ties. You have this cleanser right here to try out by Glow Recipe. You have a hair mask, which I'm super, super excited about. And then there's an Elemis product. That is everything that came in this box, you guys. So again, happy birthday to Glossybox. They just turned 10 this month. That is amazing. If you do want to know a little bit more about Glossybox, I will let you know right about now. I do have them linked down below. You can follow that link and it'll take you right to their site. They do have a new discount for you guys. If you purchase a 12-month subscription, you will get your very first box for only $1. You don't have to pay the whole 12 months in advance. They do bill you monthly, but you lock in that year rate. So if you wanted to just do month to month, one box at a time is $21, but you can go as low as $18 if you do the whole 12-month subscription. You can cancel at any time. There's free international shipping, which I absolutely love because no matter where you live, you can get this box delivered to you at no additional charge. Again, the link will be down below. You can definitely follow that. With this box, you always get 5 products with a guaranteed worth of over $70 or higher. And then if you are an active Glossybox member, you get access to the limited edition boxes, the advent calendars, all of that. You get access to those sooner than anybody else. And you even get a discount for being an active monthly subscriber. So there's a lot of cool perks, and you can always shop Glossybox at any time. They have their own skincare line, which I've loved everything that I've tried so far. So they have their own skincare line too if you would like to check them out. Again, everything will be linked down below. So that is everything that I have for this month's box. You guys comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items that they put in this box? Again, I'm just a little disappointed that we got the basic box. I wish we would have got a nice little birthday box, but that's okay. The items inside is what we normally are supposed to be expecting or liking, right? So let me know what you thought of this box. Definitely comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.